In 2025, DACs, digital to analog converters, have become essential for any serious music lover. They're the secret weapon behind clean, detailed, and lifelike sound. Today, we're exploring 5 of the best DACs from $150 to $1,000, each offering incredible performance for its price, from entry-level upgrades to true audiophile precision. These are the DACs every listener should hear. The Hi-Fi Zen DAC V3, priced at $229, is one of the most popular DACs for a reason. It's simple, stylish, and sounds absolutely fantastic. This latest version uses a refined Burr-Brown DAC chip capable of decoding PCM, DSD-256, and MQA. The sound is lush, warm, and incredibly natural, exactly what you want in long listening sessions. It includes a strong built-in headphone amp, balanced outputs, and the famous power match gain switch, which adjusts perfectly for both sensitive earphones and power-hungry headphones. The bass feels deep and punchy, vocals are smooth and emotional, and the highs shine with clarity without becoming harsh. Everything feels open, balanced, and easy on the ears. The design is a work of art: sleek aluminum body, simple front controls, and that signature glowing LED ring that changes color with your playback format. For the price, the Zen DAC V3 gives you everything: performance, design, and real musical warmth. It's the perfect entry point into true audiophile sound: compact, affordable, and full of life. The Chord Qutest, priced at $999, is a masterpiece of British engineering: compact, stylish, and built entirely around one goal: perfect sound. Unlike most DACs that rely on standard chips, Chord uses a custom FPGA processor designed in-house. This gives the Qutest incredible precision and realism. Music sounds cleaner, wider, and more alive than ever. It supports ultra-high-resolution playback up to 32-bit 768 kHz and DSD-512, and offers adjustable filter settings so you can tailor the sound exactly to your taste. The tone is stunning, bass is tight and textured, mids are vivid and natural, and the highs have that signature chord sparkle that makes everything feel three-dimensional. The design is compact and solid, with a milled aluminum body and color-coded glowing buttons that give it a futuristic, boutique feel. Every note feels holographic and full of depth, like you're hearing your favorite music for the very first time. At just under $1,000, the Chord Qutest is not just a DAC, it's a piece of digital art: pure sound, precision engineering, and unmistakable character, all packed into one tiny box. The topping DX7 Pro, priced at $699, is an audiophile favorite that brings studio-level sound straight to your desk. It's a DAC, preamp, and headphone amp, all in one sleek aluminum body. It features dual ESS 9038 Pro DAC chips, delivering ultra-low distortion and incredible clarity. It supports PCM up to 768 kHz, DSD-1024, and even Bluetooth with LDC for high-resolution wireless listening. The sound is clean, transparent, and detailed, yet still musical. Bass feels firm and precise, vocals sound realistic, and treble is crystal clear without sharpness. It's the kind of DAC that reveals hidden details in tracks you've heard 1,000 times. It also packs serious power for headphones, driving even demanding models effortlessly while staying silent and distortion-free. The DX7 Pro's minimalist design fits perfectly into any setup: strong, functional, and modern. It's a DAC you can trust for both casual listening and serious mixing. For under $700, the topping DX7 Pro gives you reference-level sound with pro-grade flexibility. It's pure performance, no compromises. The FiiO K11, priced at $199, is one of the most complete DAC and amp combos you can get under $200. It's compact, powerful, and loaded with features. At its core is an ESS ES9038 Q2M DAC chip delivering crystal clear sound with tight bass, smooth mids, and sparkling highs. It supports PCM up to 384 kHz and DSD-256, offering true high-res playback for both headphones and speakers. The K11 also includes a capable amplifier with multiple gain levels, giving you control and headroom whether you're using tiny IMs or full-sized audiophile headphones. There's even a bright LCD display, balanced output, and a clean layout that makes it feel like a premium product. Sonically, it's impressive, full-bodied yet refined, with great depth and rhythm. It's fun to listen to, accurate in tone, and surprisingly engaging for its price. The FiiO K11 is perfect for newcomers stepping into hi-fi or anyone who wants a powerful, desktop-ready upgrade without breaking the bank. Smart design, great sound, and rock-solid value. This one's a gem. At number 1, the Schiit Audio Modi, priced at $149, shows just how good affordable hi-fi can be. It's simple, built like a brick, and delivers performance that rivals DACs 3 times its price. Made in California, the Modi features the AKM4493 DAC chip, known for its rich, musical tone and smooth, natural detail. Plug it into your laptop, streamer, or even a gaming rig, and you'll instantly hear tighter bass, cleaner vocals, and more depth in your music. It supports high-res playback up to 24-bit 192 kHz with both USB-C and optical inputs, so you can connect just about anything. What makes the Modi special is its sound signature, warm, full, and inviting. It doesn't sound sterile or overly digital. It just sounds right. The solid metal chassis feels premium, and setup takes seconds. Plug, play, and enjoy. For under $150, the Schiit Modi is unbeatable. It's proof that great sound doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It just needs to be done right. These 5 DACs show that you don't need to spend thousands to get amazing sound. The Hi-Fi Zen DAC V3 adds warmth and power. The Chord Qutest delivers precision and pure emotion. The topping DX7 Pro gives studio-grade clarity. The FiiO K11 brings versatility and value. And the Schiit Modi? That's the ultimate budget hero. Each one offers a different flavor of hi-fi perfection, from musical warmth to analytical precision. No matter your setup or budget, one of these DACs will take your listening experience to the next level. If you found your favorite, hit like, subscribe, and share your pick in the comments. Until next time, keep your sound pure, your music loud, and your passion alive.